Another mission in the bag. Huh, where did this bat come from? You can't defeat me! Whoa!
Ouch, that hurts! You should be more careful with that sword.
And you better get out of my room!
Make me!
Fine! Let's see whose half turns out better.
All that arguing made me hungry. Oh, just in time. Ew, gross! What is this? What? I hate tomato juice! Oh, it doesn't look too bad, actually. I'm a genius! Cool, right?
Stop bothering me while I'm eating!
Well, time to keep going. There we go. I think a window like this will look perfect. Fly, my friends!
Hey, get them out of here!
All right, my little helpers, get to work. Oh yeah, great job! Gothic style is the best for windows, don't you think?
No way! It actually looks great! But you still can't compete with me! Let's do this!
Not bad!
You bet! Oh, these noodles look awesome! I know! Let's take this ribbon and make it curly! Perfect! Let's take a few of these and hang them right here. Awesome! Watch and learn.
I like my design better. What?
You have something stuck in your fang!
All right, did I get it?
No, right over here!
Dang it, I need a mirror. All right, let's see. Huh, what the heck? It's not working!
Forgot you don't have a reflection?
Man, right. Time for a different approach. Buddy, take a look. Do I have anything in my teeth? What?
Gotcha! Just kidding.
Oh, you prankster.
Whatever. Well, time to check my photos. Aw, those were the good old days. Wait, I have an idea. These photos will look awesome on my wall. Oh yeah, now this room has a huntrix style. Huh? What's that?
How did you make those photos?
Like this, see?
Can I borrow that? Thanks. Whoa.
You have to tap the screen.
Like this?
Now point it at yourself.
Got it.
Say cheese! Great, huh? Looks like you don't show up in photos either.
Oh well, thanks anyway.
Such bad luck. Poor guy.
I think I know. Let's send a little message. Mailbat, I have a job for you. Perfect. Oh, hi there.
I got your letter.
Please, capture all of my greatness.
Don't move. Done. I think I outdid myself.
Yay! I mean, excellent work.
Here you go. I'm a total genius.
Well, time to hang you up. Oh. I think I found the perfect spot. There we go. Man, I really am handsome. Just need to decorate a little bit more. Done! Now it looks like my very own altar. Let's just add a few more details. And done. Beautiful! Hey, check this out!
Whoa, that turned out so cool! Ahem.
Oops!
Oh, these vampires. You're not allowed to cross this line.
What a bummer. Oh well. Though I don't really like this thing.
Why? What do you mean?
I think I'll decorate my side. There, simple and stylish.
We'll see whose side looks prettier. Let's hang this and this. Now add some flowers here. And over here too. Wow, gorgeous! Cool! Hey look, high five!
Okay. This truly is the most elegant room divider.
Well, time to lay down the rug. Huh, what's happening? Come on, seriously? Unroll already!
Pathetic. Oh yeah, much better. Oh my! What happened to you?
This rug almost beat me. Thanks.
You're welcome.
And here's the bed. Now, let's lay this down. And add some pillows. And that's it. Comfort is guaranteed.
I guess I should check out my sleeping spot too. It's a bit cramped here. Man, I'm uncomfortable. Where am I supposed to sleep? Oh, I know. Much better.
Oh my! Oh no, I have to save him! The bed is ready! Now I need to add some pillows.
Whoa, it's so soft. Thanks! Now I can take a nap.
Creepy, but whatever. Feels like something's missing. I know! Let's give this bed some purple vibes. And let's place the derpy tiger right here. Perfect. Now this bed fits me.
Huh? What happened? Whoa, this bed looks amazing! Mine looks so boring compared to it. Looks like it's bat time again. Head on over there, buddy. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Not bad. Meanwhile, I'll do some decorating. Let's make a shower of petals. And the tree is done! Awesome!
No way! That was magical! Well, time to show off my magic. There we go. Let's put the lamp here. Cover it with this, and done. Oh yeah, perfect. Aw, she's so cute. I should ask her out on a date, but I can't cross the line. I know what to do. Let's take the table and style my half first. Then hers. Let's decorate with styles for both of us. I hope she likes this drink. And for me, the usual. Hey, do you want to grab a drink with me?
Whoa, when did you find the time to do all this? Sure, I won't pass it up.
So, how's it going?
Not bad. You?
A bit tired, but the room is ready.
I see. I finished decorating too.
It looks amazing.
Your room is awesome too.
Let's just say we both did a great job.
Hey, Rumi. Nice to meet you.
Watch out! Hey, back!
Whoa!
This room is a mess!
Who were even living here before us?
I say ghosts.
Yeah, agreed.
It sure needs a makeover. I'll get to work.
Nope.
Ah!
This side of the room is mine. No trespassing.
I mean, sure, whatever. I can't spend my energy arguing with you.
Let's see who does it better.
Time to get to work.
We have so much to do.
Ugh, I hate getting my hands dirty.
Tell me about it. I feel like we're gonna need a huge trash bin.
You think?
Whoa! What did they even need this for? Whoa!
Ouch! Ugh, watch where you're going!
Much better. Already looking cozy.
You need to check your definition of cozy. Look, so soft. The wall looks so empty.
I know what I'm gonna do about that.
Ning! Ah! What did you do?
Cool, right? This too. Jealous of my side of the room?
Please, don't you know cool is my middle name? Just watch. Some North Pole magic. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And now… Every snowflake is so unique, like me. Shaky, shake, shake.
Whoa.
You might want to hold on to something. Haha!
Stop that!
Cold never bothered me anyway.
Huh. The cauldron is ready for the ritual. You've got magic. I've got magic and science. Don't worry, these won't actually burn the place down. How? Magic. Duh. Now check it out. Hey! I know how to grab your attention.
I don't remember ordering fireballs, but maybe you will like this.
Now you're talking.
You're just wasting my time. Anyway, where was I?
You were messing up the floor.
What are you talking about?
Oh.
You weren't lying. I just need a rug to cover that up. Yep, this one's the softest ever. My feet are gonna love it in the mornings.
Wow. I should have thought of that. Do you see this, Boo? Oh, I think I know what you mean. It's been a while since you got groomed. Hey, you look good like this. Bye, my sweet menace. Here it is. Phew! Pink and red look really good together.
Yeah, whatever. Why is it so hot in here?
Brr, so chilly.
Hey! Unacceptable! I need a cold refreshment. Like, right now! Almost freezing! Just the right temperature. Oh, wait! I know what to do with this! You see trash, I see a DIY project! Careful with the knife! The lights go inside the bottle! Now, a little bit of glue on this side. You'll need cotton, and lots of it! Can you see my vision here? Ta-da! Snow clouds! Prepare for a blizzard of cuteness! Lights on! Let's see how you top that. Hey! I'm talking to you! Ugh, so rude! How about sending her a letter? What did you think?
Huh? Wow. I think I got a secret admirer. I wonder who it is from. Surprise! Huh?
Who did that?
You, obviously. Huh? Well, this is mine now, 'cause I know just the thing to do with it. First, I gotta apply a little glue on this section. Place one piece of toilet paper next, more glue on top, and more glue everywhere. Wait just a little time until it sets. We can get rid of the balloon now. Yellow like the sun. And it's done! Easy peasy. No need for sunscreen.
Phew, this was heavier than I expected. There! Ursa Major! The night sky is so beautiful!
Oh, wow! Can I look through your telescope too?
You? No way.
This will convince you. There you go, bud.
Huh? What's that? I have a guest? An unwanted guest. I don't have time to deal with that. Bye! Back to stargazing.
Ugh! If she ain't sharing, then I'll use this. If only it worked. Oh, but that doesn't mean it's totally useless. Let's cut it into small pieces first. The glue the ends like this. Using 2 different colors will make it pop more. Almost done! Yay! It's even cuter than I imagined it would be. I'm making my own galaxy on the wall. It looks like the Milky Way.
Wow, that does look so good. Quick, make a wish!
What are you up to? Ugh, you wished for this?
Totally worth it. But now, I'll make my crafting wishes come true. Watch carefully. The folding order makes all the difference. We need to cut the paper from the middle and work separately with each piece. Once we make quite a few of these, it's time to glue them together. First, make sure the glue is dry and voila! My personal northern star! But let's decorate it first. Give it that blinking aesthetic. Now I can make a wish anytime I want!
Okay, officially approved.
A little left.
Here?
Yep. Phew.
Phew, I'm so sweaty. Anyway, now we have space for our stuff.
Cute, right?
You mean my dog, right?
Sure, why not?
More pillows? Yes, please.
Yay! I think we're finally done!
Yes, we did it!
And everything is a reflection of our own vibes. I have my little plushie friends here as well.
Me too. They can be besties. Sebastian likes his new home. The red and blue complement each other, wouldn't you agree?
Yep, we're gonna have so much fun in here.
Yeah.
But for now, let's rest.